Hello guys, today we have a dryer. Customer's complaint is that when there is a heavy load inside the dryer starts making a squeaking noise. So but when you push it, when there is no load there is no sound, but when there is a heavy load then it's making squeaking sound. Most of the time this issue is related idler pulley issue. So now we are going to disassemble the dryer and then check the idler pulley, and then we'll place the idler pulley. It's going to be a very easy job if you know what to do, what are you doing, and all we need is only drill with this Phillips screwdriver. Let's get it done. Always, first of all, you have to unplug it from the outlet, so there is no power coming to the dryer. On the back side, there is two screws here. Here's two screws. I'll take the back panel off, top panel off, set aside. And there is two clips here. You take this one out and disconnect these two wires. One and two. And then you set aside as well. And here, as you see, there is 4 screws that holding the dryer front panel. After you do this, and then there is 2 more screws at the front, and you can take the filter out as well. You can put the screws in here. And after that, there is 2, get closer, there's 2 clips here. Take this one out, and this one out, pull it out, and door switch wire that comes to the door switch is here. You just have to pull it out, and that's it. Our front panel is off. And after that, we will take this one first, second this one, and this one. So there is 5 screws holding this screw doesn't want to come, so what you do is you just put your flat screwdriver here, and and then like this, and it comes up. When you take it out, so you have to make sure that you don't damage the wires. And then on the back side, when you come here, with it from the side, come here, 1 here, and 2, holding the ring, and we have to take this wiring that comes from the main board. This part, let it stay there, and then after that 4 screws holding the front side, and then 3 screws holding the lint housing. You can put it here. The dryer needs to be cleaned. see it's full of lint here, but when we turn the rollers, they are in a good condition, so they don't have to be replaced. Still good. They have a long lasting, they still have life. Customer they can use for a while, but we have to clean the inside the dryer. Now there is this belt is holding, they attached with the idler pulley to the motor. We will just have to disconnect it. All you have to do is take the roller idler pulley out, lift it up, and take the belt out from the back side of the motor. It comes like this easily. Look at that. This roller is good, and this roller is good. As you can see from the idler pulley, as we talk about it, see it's in a very bad condition. So we will replace this one, then it's gonna be good. Pause it.